Has anyone ever tried to break into your house?
It was at this moment that he knew. He thought.
Now I'm going to teach you how to build a device like that to bust anybody who tries to break into your house. Let's begin by laying the foundation for our circuit. First, I'll set up a universal GND pin to use it for all of my ground wires. For this circuit, we need a LDR, buzzer, some resistors, and LEDs. Connect the 5-volt pin to one side of your LDR and a resistor to the other side of it. I'm going to use two 20-ohm resistors for this project. Now connect any of your analog read pins that you want to the middle of your LDR and resistor so you can read the current passing through it later. Add your buzzer to the circuit and connect your ground pin. For controlling our buzzer and LEDs, I'll use the pins 8, 9, and 10. Now it's the time for LEDs. But don't forget to use the resistors beforehand. Oh, and don't forget to wire up the end of your resistor to ground as well. Now we will jump into your favorite part, which is coding. Declare an int value for reading the voltage from analog reader, and then start modifying your pins. You can use the serial monitor if you want to print the voltage to the console. Read the voltage by using analog read method and put its value inside your INT variable. I use the pin A0, so I'm going to pass that inside it. Here you can write your custom message that you want. For the next step, you have to choose that after how much light you want to active your LED and buzzer. After doing some experiment, I found that value of 25 works great for me. I'll turn on my red LED and buzzer for values greater than 25, and I turn off them for less values. And instead, I'll turn on the green LED. Also, don't forget to make some delay after each iteration. Now everything is set. Let's test and see our results. From now on, no one can break into your house again. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos.